Welcome to our cozy home. I'm Gina. And my sister Peggy's in the background making fun of me. Just kidding. Don't put that in there. Today I want to share with you one of my family's favorite recipes called ham roll-ups. And it's a lot like a cheese ball, but it's really a lot more convenient. So I'm going to get started and share with you the recipe. And today we're getting ready for a bridal shower, so I'm doubling the recipe. So you'll need 2 containers of, I like the whipped cream cheese because it's easier to mix together. So you need 16 ounces of that. And like I said, I am doubling the recipe. And this recipe is from Lynn. She's my oldest and dearest friend. And she said I could share it with everybody on here, so that's what I'm doing. So you got your cream cheese in here, and I have cut up some green onions. You can have these if you like onions, or they're just as good without using onions. I know some people don't really like onions. And then I usually don't measure, but today I'm going to try to measure out. And I'm going to start off with 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce. Worcestershire, I can't say it. I got whispers in the background telling me how to say it, but they don't want to be on TV. So we're going to do 1 for now. And then you need onion powder. And I'm going to do about a teaspoon. Like I said, I normally do not measure this. And then you need garlic powder. And I'm also going to do probably 3/4 of a teaspoon. And then some cheddar cheese. I use about half of an 8-ounce bag, so about 4 ounces. And then you stir that up. Okay, got it all stirred in. And I'm going to just taste it to make sure it's all right. I may have to add a little. Yeah, that tastes pretty good, so I'm happy with what I got. And with the ham, you need the cooked ham, and this works better because the slices are pretty good where you can roll them up. So what you want to do is just set it down there, put your little on there, and then just roll them out. You may have to add a little more. I find it so much easier than a cheese ball because you just put it on your cracker. And then you just roll it this way. And I always like to fill in the ends. Okay, now I'm going to do the rest off camera because it'll be faster, and then I'll show you what's next after I get a bunch of them rolled out. Okay, I got all of them rolled up. This is what I have out. I know it don't look like very much, but you cut these and you usually get 10 out of each roll. So we have to stick them in the freezer and get them firm so we can cut it. So I'll show you that when it's done. Okay, they've been in the freezer for about 45 minutes. You do not want them frozen. You just want them where you can easy cut through them. And then you just slice them. And when I get them all done, I'll come back and show you what they look like on the platter.
comment, and subscribe.
You can't go there, she gets your thing down here, she's filming.
We're all trying to get it together before everybody gets here for Michaela's bridal shower.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
There's my
This right
sister
here.
Vicky, she's the quilter.
Yummy, yummy.
There's my sister Peggy, she's afraid of the camera. There's my mother, say hello.
Hello.
And there's
And I quilt too, but she never puts me in.